Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ARLIME portable washing machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include: compact and portable design. Measuring just 14x15x20 inch, this mini washing machine is perfect for tight spaces in your home, dorm, apartment, or even your RV. Its lightweight construction and carry handles make it easy to move around wherever you need it. Semi-automatic washing and spin dry. This versatile machine is a combo washer and spin dryer. It comes with a removable spin tub and a safety cover. Simply twist the knobs to select the mode, wash, dry, and set the time, 0 to 15 minute wash, 0 to 6 minute spin dry, for hassle-free cleaning. Versatile washing capacity. With a 5.5 pounds washing capacity, this compact laundry machine is ideal for small loads like t-shirts, underwear, socks, towels, and baby clothes. The spin dry capacity is 1.1 pounds, perfect for quick drying of lightweight items. Easy water inlet and drainage. Equipped with a 50-inch inlet hose and an adjustable clip to fit your tap, this 2-in-1 washer makes water inlet a breeze. The label marks on the tub show the max and min water levels, ensuring proper filling. The built-in drain hose allows for easy gravity drainage, making the entire process hassle-free. User-friendly details. Powered by a 170-watt motor, this electric washing machine is designed for quick and efficient cleaning. The see-through lid and side wall provide a clear view of the washing process. The included cord organizer keeps everything tidy when not in use, and non-slip foot pads enhance stability during operation. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.